Today we will talk about 7 superfoods that quickly clean your arteries. The inner surface of arteries, endothelium, is normally smooth and allows for comfortable blood flow. However, when fat, cholesterol, calcium, and cell debris begin to accumulate on the artery walls, it causes plaque formation. Over time, plaques grow and narrow the artery, or even completely block it. Blocked arteries mean restricted or no blood flow to the heart. This increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. So how can we prevent this? Through a healthy lifestyle and diet, heart-healthy foods reduce plaque formation and prevent inflammation. Here are the basic and most effective foods for maintaining artery health and reducing plaque formation. Oily fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies. 1. Source of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These fatty acids thin the blood, which helps reduce the risk of clotting. Therefore, they protect against heart attacks and strokes. They lower triglycerides, which helps balance blood fats. By reducing inflammation, they slow down plaque formation in the artery walls. Omega-3 reduces the risk of arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat by regulating the electrical balance of heart cells. Regular intake of omega-3 increases the elasticity of your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow smoothly through them, which protects against hypertension. Eating fatty fish reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases HDL, good cholesterol. Good cholesterol helps clean plaque from your arteries. The vitamin D, selenium, iodine, and protein in fish contribute to strong heart muscle function. 2. Olive oil, extra virgin. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, oleic acid. These fats reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, thereby reducing the risk of vascular occlusion. It contains vitamin E and polyphenols. Polyphenols protect blood vessel walls from free radicals, reduce inflammation, and prevent plaque formation. They increase blood vessel flexibility. Regular consumption of olive oil increases blood vessel flexibility, which reduces the risk of high blood pressure. The phenolic compounds in olive oil prevent inflammation of the heart muscle. 3. Walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts. Walnuts in particular contain plant-based omega-3, ALA, which lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases HDL, good cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in nuts reduces the absorption of cholesterol from the intestines into the bloodstream. This prevents plaque formation in the arteries. Vitamin E and polyphenols protect the artery walls from oxidative stress, slowing down the hardening of plaques. Consuming a handful or 25 to 30 grams of nuts per day is very beneficial for heart and vascular health. 4. Green leafy vegetables, spinach, chard, arugula, lettuce. Green leafy vegetables are very beneficial for the heart because they contain nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body, relax the blood vessels, and lower blood pressure. They are a source of potassium and magnesium, which help regulate heart rhythm and control blood pressure. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and E, in flavonoids and fiber, which help lower cholesterol and protect blood vessels from plaque formation. They contain vitamin K, which prevents blood vessel stiffness and increases blood vessel flexibility. In short, green leafy vegetables are heart-healthy foods that help balance blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and protect blood vessels. 5. Oats and whole grains. Oats and whole grains are very beneficial for heart health because they contain soluble fiber, beta-glucan, which lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. They help prevent vascular damage by balancing blood sugar levels. They are rich in B vitamins and minerals, which strengthen your heart muscle. They keep you feeling full, which helps with weight control, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease caused by obesity. In short, oats and whole grains lower cholesterol, protect blood vessels, and provide heart-healthy energy. 6. Garlic. Why is garlic good for the heart? Because it contains allicin, a substance that is released when garlic is crushed. It helps lower blood pressure. Garlic reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL, thereby balancing cholesterol levels. It has an antioxidant effect, which prevents the oxidation caused by bad cholesterol. This reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Garlic increases blood flow and is a natural blood thinner. It helps prevent blood clotting, which is very important because blood clots can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it reduces inflammation in the blood vessel walls, helping to keep the blood vessels healthy. Garlic lowers blood pressure, balances cholesterol, reduces clot formation, and protects blood vessels from plaque. For this reason, it is a natural friend to the heart. 7. Pomegranate. Why is pomegranate good for the heart? Because it has high antioxidant power. Did you know that the antioxidants in pomegranate juice are even more powerful than those in green tea and red wine? Thanks to these antioxidants, pomegranate protects the blood vessels from free radicals. Pomegranate slows down plaque formation, which prevents the oxidation of cholesterol that accumulates on the walls of blood vessels. This reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Pomegranate juice helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. This contributes to balancing blood pressure naturally. It dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow, which helps your heart function more efficiently. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it reduces inflammation in the artery walls. This lowers the risk of heart attack and stroke. Pomegranate is one of the heart's strongest natural allies due to its antioxidant richness, blood pressure lowering effect, prevention of plaque formation, and protection of the arteries. Healthy eating is a fundamental step in maintaining heart and artery health, but it may not be sufficient on its own. We have mentioned that foods such as vegetables, fruits, oily fish, olive oil, nuts, whole grains, and garlic protect the arteries and balance cholesterol and blood pressure. But they cannot completely prevent the risk of heart disease on their own. Regular exercise is a good way to support this. Regular exercise, you can engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio activities, such as walking, running, or cycling per week. Exercise lowers blood pressure, helps with weight control, and strengthens the heart muscle. It is also beneficial to pay attention to tobacco and alcohol control. Tobacco accelerates vascular stiffness and increases the risk of blood clots. Alcohol, if consumed in excess, puts strain on the heart, but moderate consumption, especially red wine, can provide some benefits. Stress management and sleep should not be overlooked. Chronic stress damages vascular health by increasing cortisol levels. 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day is critical for heart and vascular health. Do not neglect your regular checkups. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar checks are important for early prevention. If there is a genetic risk, preventive measures can be taken with a doctor's recommendation. In short, healthy eating is essential, but it is not sufficient on its own. To protect heart and artery health, diet, exercise, selfless smoking/alcohol control, stress management, plus regular medical checkups must be combined. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you in the next video. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy.